This is the craziest housing market in decades, but in all the turmoil, I just see opportunity. A year ago, we bought a foreclosed condo at auction. Flipped it, and we made 20 G's in 30 days. Since then, we flipped 4 more properties, each bigger than the last. Higher the stakes, the bigger the reward. No bid that's too high. But buying foreclosures at auction is insane. The list comes out 3 hours before the auction, and the race is on to find out anything we can about these properties.
And on top of that, you have to pay for these houses in cash.
Okay, so honey, what are we saying? We're spending about $250,000 on it?
Are you sure you want to risk that much money? I mean, we have maxed out all our credit cards, we borrowed against our rental property. I don't know, it's just really scary.
Well, what's the worst that can happen?
We lose it all?
We're putting our entire life savings into flipping houses. And now that I'm a dad, the pressure is really on. If it doesn't work out, my family's in big trouble. Out of 89 properties going to auction today in all of Orange County, there's only one that looks promising to us. There she is.
Which one?
Straight ahead. The opening bid on this one is $265. I'll guarantee that house doesn't need a lot of work.
We'll see.
There's no way someone would take care of the front like that and ruin the inside.
Are you gonna try to break in?
I'm not gonna break in. Hang tight, Daddy will be right back. We never get to see the inside of these properties before we buy them at the auction, so we have to guess how much work's gonna be needed just by snooping around the outside.
Try to go around back. Hop the fence.
Get the neighbors and call the police.
Can you break in through a window? How does it look?
I can't tell. I only see one big problem.
What?
There's an empty pool back there, which is terrible news.
Oh, that's awesome.
Are you kidding me? You know what it costs to fix a pool?
Oh, I would love to have a house with a pool. Every buyer does.
Pool or no pool, $265 is a smoking deal for this house. I think we can sell it for at least $350,000. That gives us a lot of padding, considering we don't know how much work it actually needs. Okay, so we're going to the auction. Our absolute max bid is what, honey? What do you think?
$268 max.
$268 max.
Don't go over.
What if it sells for $269, over $1,000? We're losing this house.
The max is $268.
The opening bid is $265,000. Any opening bids at $265.
100.
$265,100.
266.
$266,000. That's the way to do it. Knock them out. 100 bid. Now go
274.
4,100 is bid. Knock them out, sir.
275.
275,000 now bid. 275 now bid. One, say one, go one. All through, all done. You're out. Finished. 275,000. Any more? Sold.
Oh, yeah.
You bought it.
That's $7,000 more than we planned on spending. I cannot believe you went above the bid again.
What, we got the house? I think we're gonna make some money.
All right, moment of truth.
We own this house. Bought it for $275,000. Good or bad, we're about to find out.
How's it look?
Wow, this is nice.
Nice.
Look it. See, I did a good job. What do you think, Taylor?
It's actually not too bad. It has a nice view.
Oh, man.
God.
Eesh.
Look at the kitchen.
That's easy fix. $2,500.
God, you are just always crazy with your numbers. Look what we're about to walk into.
Oh, this is nasty. Watch your feet
What?
for nails.
What is it?
Oh my God, heart attack. Ooh.
Oh my God.
Ooh. That is disgusting.
going in there.
Oh, I'm turning red. If we put 25 to 30 grand into this house, we'd have to sell it in the 320s just to break even. Comparable properties in the area are going for quite a bit more than that if they're updated. When you're in the flipping game, speed is of the essence. So you have to have a contractor that can start right away.
Tarek?
There he is. What's up, boss?
How you doing, man?
You made it. 3 hours.
I did.
love it. This is my wife, Christina.
Hi, nice to meet you. And that must be the little one.
This is Taylor.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
They've had a rough, long day, so they're heading out, and we already came up with all the design things, so we'll talk about it when we get inside.
Okay, sounds good.
Cool.
All right.
All right, honey. Love you.
Bye.
Call me.
Bye, Dada.
When you're dealing with contractors, you have to keep your game face on. If you show any weakness, they'll walk all over you. I'm gonna take the best pricing and go with that bid. Keeping costs down is the only way for Christina and I to make any money. What do you think that runs?
About $3 a square foot.
That's $3. I normally pay $2.50. My friend has a flooring company. Do you care if I sub other work out if you don't want to do it?
We can work it out.
I want to
Okay.
blow this wall out right here. What do you think that's going to run?
I'll take some measurements and get back to you.
Make this look brand new. How much do you think that's going to run?
You gonna piece me out for each one? Or you want me to come back with you with some real numbers?
So here's the kitchen. All new cherry cabinets, granite counters with the big island. What is that going to run me?
You're probably looking at $3,000 in granite.
Like 1,600.
1,600 bucks.
Yeah, I did my last 2 jobs, one for 11, one for 14.
How many square feet of granite you think you got here?
50.
Double.
That's impossible. It's not
Look-
that big.
Look how big the island you have. This is the boss.
Okay. So the major projects in this house are knocking out a wall to create a great room, a total renovation in the kitchen and master bathroom, and filling in the empty pool and covering it with grass, which I'm going to take care of with the help of my friends. Here's my concern. My last contractor said 30 days, and it took 3 months. The market shifted, and I lost money.
As long as you stay out of my way, 30 days.
Look at that, on time, day one, a contractor that shows up.
The bid came in, $42,000. It's more than Tarek thought, it's less than I thought, so I'm happy and I'm ready to get the project going.
We're 7 days into the project, and the house looks like a war zone. The kitchen's been demolished. The master bath is gutted. The living room wall is gone, creating a great room. And the pool concrete's being removed and hauled away by tractors. With the budget going through the roof, we've got to save some money on the bathroom and floor tile.
The customers go inside.
Specials on sale. Come on.
Oh, God. Of course, we're in a beautiful tile store, and my husband wants to go straight to the back warehouse with all the discount stuff. Second choice material.
$1.99 a foot.
Come on, there's holes in it.
Look at this, perfect.
Terrible. It's so awful.
So we're getting something from here.
No, okay, let's just go back inside. Honestly, that's really nice. I kind of like that look in there.
How much is it?
$11.75.
Damn, Liberace.
Oh, look, I want to make money
Okay,
too.
this one's out. Let's keep
But the thing is we can't just go half on everything.
Let's keep looking.
See, now this is nice. Look, all neutral.
Well, yeah, of course it's nice. $1.29.
Color-wise, I really like that one right there.
Which one?
Do you like that one? When you're flipping houses, you've got to stay in a neutral color palette. Anything with too much personality might turn off potential buyers. And by combining this inexpensive base tile with an accent tile that is a little more pricey, the effect is expensive-looking tile work on the cheap. Perfect. Yay.
Can I get a discount? A lot of cool things happening in the kitchen today. We're building the cabinets right now, and we're gonna be installing them. They're fabricating the granite in the garage right now, and it's really cool to see it on site. We paid $3,600 for this granite, but the light-colored counters are really brightening up the kitchen. And a big island like this is a huge selling point because buyers are looking for open and airy kitchens that are good for entertaining. Oh, that looks awesome with the opening.
Okay, so,
Wow.
you open it up,
Oh, it looks so much better. You're right.
walls out.
There used to be a small door to the bathroom in the middle of the bedroom wall. We moved it to the right, and we made the opening larger. We're not gonna put a door here to make the master suite appear bigger. No door in the master bathroom. It's a risky move, but no risk, no reward. We're gonna be done in 5 days, huh?
Yeah, right. It's like a mound.
They're still filling the pool. Apparently in 3 or 4 days from now, this is gonna be all green grass with flowers over here, and this is gonna be flat.
There's no way.
The exterior is gonna be painted. The drywall is gonna be fixed.
There's no way.
Yeah, I don't know. It looks like 3 weeks to me.
This is like the worst thing ever. I think we should have left the pool, personally, but what do I know? I can't wait to see my kitchen. I love the floors, and the cabinets, and the granite.
You like the island?
I love it.
Oh, yeah.
Fun part. Bling, bling. That's nice.
Looks beautiful.
I love it.
Where's the door?
No door, not enough room for a door.
So
What is that, where the toilet goes?
That's where
You're gonna have a
the toilet
toilet.
You don't need a door.
There's no door there, and there's no door here. There's no door. We can't close off the toilet with a door because after the vanity's installed, there won't be enough room for the door to open. If our decision to leave the bathroom open to the bedroom like this turns off potential buyers, I'm gonna be seriously annoyed.
Tarek can be intense, but it's because he wants to provide for his family. We have a lot riding on this house, and failure is not an option.
I'm stressed. We're supposed to be done in a few days. Our original amount was $42,000, okay? We were supposed to fill in the pool ourselves, got hit with another $5,000. We're at $47,000, right? We just got hit with $3,000 for the HVAC. That's $50,000. And we got hit $1,000 for the window. We're at $51,000. We're gonna lose money. We're gonna have to write a check to sell this place, and then our credit cards are gonna be screwed. We're 30 days into the project, and we're supposed to be finished today. But the house is still being painted, the hardwood floors are being installed, carpets are going in the bedrooms, and the yard is a freaking disaster.
Well, look, the sod's here.
Yeah, finally. It's day 30 and it's sitting in the street.
I thought this place was gonna be done by
Yeah,
today.
you said day 30. This is terrible. The market's it's not doing so hot. How much does this take? At least 2 weeks. So
I'm giving you the keys to this property on Friday.
I'll believe it when I
No
see it.
way.
So if it's not done Friday, what are we gonna do? You gonna give money back? Are we doing something? I mean, what can I do?
You want to put sod in?
Will that speed things up?
Sure. You better go get your knee pads on, man.
Oh. No. Hey.
Come on, you're strong.
Oh my God, it's heavy. Ah, too much. Okay. I think I'm gonna lay and not carry. Just like carpet. Am I getting paid for this? This is a lot of work. Yeah. We're not built for this. Look at that, professional, baby. All right, Daddy, let's get some water going, baby.
Cool off, big guy.
Hey, look at that change, love it.
It's looking like a yard now.
These price ranges,
Hold on, there's
something
only-
wrong because I see a lot of twos. Right now, we're taking a look at the MLS and looking at comparable properties, finding out what things have sold for in the past couple months, and the news is not good.
Prices have gone down a lot.
They're really scary, actually.
I know. To break even, our bottom line's $350. This one's listed at $345, not selling.
Thanks for coming.
How you doing?
Good, how are y'all?
Great, I like
Today's the big open house day. Yeah. Today's our first open house, and Tarek's mom and her husband are here to check it out. We're hoping to impress them with our flip, so they'll invest in our next house.
Wow.
We knocked out a whole wall that like separated into two small rooms, so it really opened it up.
Before, when you walk into the house, you see two small closed spaces. And now you walk in the house and it's completely open. Here's the brand new kitchen.
That
do you
looks
guys think?
nice.
What do you think? Nice?
I like it.
When we bought the house, the kitchen was a disaster. The cabinets were 1940s falling apart. The counters were yellow. Now it's completely gutted. We have granite counters, tumbled stone backsplash, stainless appliances. It's like a model home now.
So what's the total you've invested?
$53,500. We're listing it for $399. It's a little bit higher than the comps in the area, but every square inch of this house is brand new.
Right here to the right used to be a laundry room. We took it out.
This used to be a tiny master bathroom. It was like big enough to turn it in one circle. You hit your elbows on the wall.
Well, what do you think about the fact that there's no door to the toilet?
To the toilet? Well, some people might be bothered by it, and others, when they see this, they might not even think about it.
How much do you guys think this bathroom would cost you?
I don't know,
Yeah, what did
10,
it cost?
15,000?
We paid $4. So we scored on this one.
So back here, there used to be a pool. I don't know if you guys knew that.
Oh, yeah, that's
we had
the
to
biggest thing.
We had to cover my pool.
When we bought the house, the backyard was pretty much a concrete empty pool. There was a ton of bricks and it was a complete disaster. Now it's amazing. It's all grass and it looks like a park back here. We're gonna sell it today, open house, big day.
Hope it sells quick for you.
Sell fast.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Great.
Hi, thanks for
Bye,
coming.
sweetheart. Looks wonderful. Good job, son. Good job, honey.
We both still have our real estate licenses, but Christina's playing the realtor today. I'm gonna hang back, be a fly on the wall to listen to people's reactions to the house.
I haven't seen the
Feel free to take a look around and let me know if you have any questions.
Hi, how are you?
Nice to meet you. 1,700 square feet, listed at $399. Kitchen completely redone, new cabinets, granite, stainless appliances.
Is there a pantry anywhere?
No, there's not we didn't do a pantry. We left like a eat-in kitchen area.
It's really open. Perhaps here I would put a sign.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the pocket door would be good.
Very nice bathroom. Only bad thing is there's no door for the bathroom, huh?
Yeah,
Some
we would
door
definitely
breaker
add
would be
that.
nice.
Having the park out here makes it look a lot bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, the backyard's nice and big. It'd be nice if there was like a pool maybe,
Yeah.
overlooking the park and everything out there.
Yeah,
That'd be
I kind of
nice.
agree with you. I'm a pool person
Yeah.
too.
We're definitely getting people through the door. Some of the feedback's positive, but then there's also people that just want to trash talk the place. After 3 weeks on the market, we got multiple offers, which drove the sale price up from $399,000 to $405,000. After closing costs, we'll make a profit of $55,000. Time to find another house to flip.